Welcome guys once again. So we have seen three listener as of now. One is ITestListener, ITestResult, and invoked method listener. Right now, last but not least, we'll see ISuiteListener, where I can able to track suite level information by using these listeners. Okay, how to implement this? Again, it's very simple. I'll create listener 3, a class called listener 3. Perfect. So these all folders are getting created by default. Okay, so listener 3. So here again, I want which listener? I want ISuiteListener. So I need to implement, again implements ISuiteListener. It's very simple. If you know Java concept, it's very simple. Just whatever you want to implement, just implement it. That's all. So creating a simple class and implement that. So by default, all the abstract method I need to override, right? So it will come by default. Again, mouse over, add unimplemented method. Okay, add unimplemented method. So all the unimplemented method will come here. Okay, so I'll just write just before start or something. So just for your purpose, I'll just write so here I can call whatever method I want. Okay, so before suit start, before suit start. Okay, before suit start. Okay, what I want is initialize all the db, initialize all the connections, whether it is writing file from excel sheet, connecting to a database or whatever. So before suit you need all those actions, right? So which we can keep here and it will be done. After suit, after suit finish. Okay, I want to close all the connection. So it's very important to close all the connection. Okay, once you are used, okay, or completed. Okay, it's very simple. So that's all about ISuiteListener. Done. Now I want to use this again. Same thing. One way is what I can call here. Okay, by using test3, and I have to call it. Okay, but suit means what? I have to go for testng.xml. So I'll just go here and I'll write here only. I'll go here and I'll write 3. Perfect. I'll go to test1. I'll comment it. Okay, that's all. Now I'll go to this testng.xml. Okay, if I'll execute, so let's remove these two things. Now only one itest suite I want. Okay, done. So I'll execute it from testng listener1.xml. okay, so I'll just run this. We'll see the result. So we just started executing. So TestNg result listening job. Let's see execution and how we are going to capture. So suit level, suit start and suit end. Okay, so if you want to do something when you are starting with a suit, like establishing the connection, reading the properties file, reading the excel file, you can do all those things, initiating with db connection. So all those things we can start before starting executing a suit. Then once suit is completed, we can close all the connection. So where is the case we can use. Okay, so again these are the different kind of listener. Okay, we can use as per our requirement. So see, before suit start, initialize all the connection, then all the test case will executed. Okay, then at last my last suit will be executed after suit finish and close all the connection. See how beautiful it is. Okay, so only one time suit will be called before, okay, and initialize all the connection and it will be done, right? So how easy it is. Okay, perfect. So just go to one listener 3. So here I just call all the method which need to be executed before starting on the suit, or once the suit will be start, I want initialize excel sheet. So the program will be there in some test class. I'll just call that method or that class, right? Again, after finishing, I need to close all the connection. I'll just call those particular methods which will be closing the connection. So that's all pretty much about listeners concept. We have seen 3-4 kinds of listeners. Now let's combine all together, merge it, and let's see how we can use inside the one class. So thank you for watching. See you in the next.